Hey guys, here I am again, Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and this time we're demonstrating my signature full system conversion this is where I convert both the radio and the 8-track for optimum performance, and this comes from Philip in Russellville, Arkansas. Philip has requested the modern internal conversion. The radio is already AM/FM, so it's not really adding FM, but it does add a heck of a lot more output power because Philip has requested a new harness in place of the original connectors, and then the 8-track simply plugs into the radio. So Philip has requested the Bluetooth edition as well, so we're going to make sure that goes into pairing mode. And so let's go ahead and turn it on. I have it set to AM right now to the one strong station I get. And one thing I'll mention here is on this type of radio, the leftmost button forces AM mode, so you cannot preset the leftmost button to an FM station. It has to be an AM station because pressing the leftmost button changes it to AM. The rightmost button changes it to FM. So it can be a little confusing. Let's go ahead and turn it on.
Could be right, even about
some
facts.
Talk radio going on there.
They will
it's
not
a good
budge on that.
time to test the virtual
Crazy.
balance and fader
I just think
functions.
there's a lack of humility too. I get up every day. I can't believe how much I don't know.
Virtual
I think they
front
get up
rear
every
fader.
day and they can't believe how much I don't.
Fader adjust.
Okay,
Well, a lot of
so
people
now
wake up, right?
the same control all
You
the
don't
way
know,
front,
right?
all
They're
the way
blown
rear,
away. There's no reason to
front,
gang up on me. I
rear.
am the host,
Okay,
and I
I'm
did
gonna
ask
try
you
to
to come
center
on.
him.
Hey, more with Joe DeVito in just a moment. We're following a few.
Fader
set. Okay, let's try the left-right balance control.
First off, it's pretty clear that the Israelis.
balance adjust.
Okay.
Iran thinks so
now
too.
all the way left.
They said that we have weapon
way
systems
right.
that we have not seen yet.
Left.
Also say that the Russians
Right.
have helped him with
Okay,
anti-aircraft
center
fire.
those.
We're following the fact that Donald Trump is
Balance
Balance
set.
it.
drum
Okay, let's
case
make sure the
looking at
Bluetooth
whether
goes into
to
pairing
charge him
mode.
with contempt like the prosecution.
Bluetooth ready to pair.
Okay, so you
Because
heard
we
that.
a couple of
Okay,
posts
now
on
we're
True
going to move over to
Social,
FM, and I have
lastly,
all
it looks like a
4 of the
motion
FM
to
presets
vacate has been
set
going
to
be put
stations in my
forward by
area for a
Thomas
quick
Massie,
test.
joining Marjorie.
Go over to FM.
Grove School District. Join us on Savage. Somebody doesn't tell me who.
Okay, so let's let's try the 8-track. Let's put this on.
Help there.
Let's put it back on AM.
Honey, won't you say you're mine? With a Humpty Dumpty love to my prayer, I found the answer. Yeah, a fool that
End of the song there.
I know the answer to my prayer. Choo-choo train, a chugging. Hush, hush, bye.
Alrighty. Pull the
That
tape out and radio comes back.
money
Now, one thing I'll say is, with my full system conversion, these controls on the 8-track no longer work because all that's done at the radio now, and it actually results in a little bit cleaner signal if you're not running it through controls and stuff. So all your control of volume, tone, and balance on the 8-track will now be done at the radio. The only thing that still works on the 8-track is the program change button, and so that takes care of it. Let's make sure the dial light works, and you can see it's flashing on and off in response to my pressing and releasing the button. So we're all good to go. Everything's working. She's ready to go back. I'm Barry with 8-Track and Classic Car. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. To reach me for service, please visit the website in the description below. Please read just the entire homepage from top to bottom. That will answer all your questions, and if you download and print a work order, that'll answer all your questions about my prices, options, and turnaround times. So please do that research before calling me with questions, because as the business continues to grow, I have less and less time that I can spend on the phone answering the same questions from each new customer. So all those same questions are going to be on my website and in the work order, and please consult those documents before calling me with a bunch of questions. After that, I'm perfectly happy to talk to you. So thanks so much for watching and listening. Thank you, Philip, for your business all the way from Russellville, Arkansas, and we'll see you guys next time.